we're late. Huwag kayong maging late.
Hi! Welcome to our toga shoot.
We're going to Hong Kong right after this. Good morning, guys! We're going to Ateneo today because it's grad practice. So later on, actually our call time is around 8 a.m. and it's currently 7:30. But we're going to Ateneo because rehearsals is coming up, and today I'll be picking up my Admu toga at the same time, my photo, and the tickets for graduation. I can't believe this is graduation week for me because I had to do a lot of preparations, and on Thursday we'll be having a department send-off, and finally on Friday your girl is graduating, and I couldn't be so happy right now, and I'm just trying to process everything. So I just did my makeup and I'm ready to go to school. We're on our way going to Ateneo. I was supposed to go there via Grab. Pero nakita namin yung presyo, grabe, it's 600 pesos. With student discount na. So, nag-alala sila mama, kaya ayan. Ending, siyang magda-drive for today. Guys, we're late.
Hindi ko lang kung ano yan. Ano ba yan?
Late kami, guys. Hindi na maulit.
Hindi talaga. Kasi kaya niya sana.
Sa dulo kasi tayo. Hindi na. Kasi nagsing na tayo, so magbabakmas na kami. And everything. Grabe.
Kumbaga, we already tried being late. Now we recommend being on time.
On time? So pretty. Huwag kayong maging late. Pag sinabing 9, dating kayo 8:30. Legit. We went here ako 8:49.
Ako, nakaapak ako ng campus like 8:45.
8:45. Wala, pumarch na sila sa loob. Anyways, guys.
Wala yung small dun sa website.
Hey guys! Makami sa lubong. Dubai.
Weekend.
Yes! I prepared something for you nga. Oh my God, is that your vlog? Yes!
Girl, you will be
Ang ganda! Finished! Wow, reveal. We just got our toga pictures. And then the toga itself. I'm graduating, guys! Guys, nadala ko sila mama sa Ateneo. They're eating with me in Gonzaga. What did you get, mama? Pancit, pork, si daddy, pork. Ano yun? Binagoongan, Shanghai, and I'm getting this as well. Oh, parang dream come true na magkasama kami. Gatam. Ay, isa pa.
Grabe ang hirap ng exam dito.
Grabe naman, exam. O, ano exam mo, di?
Yung matali doon. Hula mo, anong ulam?
Ay, nako.
Dapat toothpick ka.
Ano ba yan? So, guys, we just went to the mass for Divine and Renee. And after that, we just ate in Gonzaga. And then we're heading to the bookstore. There's so many tributes for the both of them. Also here, this is in Zen Garden. This is from the Ateneo community in the memory of Renee and Divine. Ngayon lang ulit din ako nakapasok sa campus, guys. My last one was the last exam. And it feels good to be back. We're going to the bookstore because may bibilin kaming Ateneo pin for my plushie.
Hang out with my friends here.
Ay, English yarn? Ano ba yun, Daddy? Tinutour ko lang sila, Mama, kasi first time nila sa loob ng Ateneo campus. Ay, naku. Pretty, oh. Yan po ang tuition na binabayaran nyo, guys.
So this is the library. Hello, couple.
Hindi ko, hahanapin ko pa kung meron. Pero, I don't know. Sticker sa kotse. That could be. This one. Ito lang meron wala dun eh.
Parang patches.
Wali.
Wow, kasi saya.
No.
Great message sa Yan pinaka-small.
I don't think you could fit into this, so has she decided? Oh, what is
That.
Wala ka pa shirt. Let's buying a shirt.
Kaya.
Daddy.
Kaya, people is it?
Wow, naka-stomach in.
Pwede na. Pareho lang.
Ganda.
Kaya lang, maliit pa rin siya.
Going to Hong Kong.
Ito na yung malaki, no?
The next day.
Sisters! Hey guys! Di pa ako nag-i-intro. Welcome back to our channel. We're here in the Riz Live 5th floor bathroom. Dahil nag-fitting ang isa naming artista na kasama na maraming wardrobe. Hi! Welcome to our Toga Shoot DIY with Miss Cass featuring our student for today. Yarn. Anong color mo, Jai? Ano suot mo today?
Gender reveal siya.
Blue, tapos blue. Sakto lang. Kira.
Para ako dapat yung naka-blue eh.
Oo nga eh. Parang nag-reverse rose. Ay, kaya. Ganda niya. Nagawa nyo. Isa pa.
Wait lang,
TikTok daw, guys.
sige, yung normal muna, isa-isa.
Hi, Ate Alma! Picture tayo! Mura lang ang printing shop ni Ate Alma dyan. Suking-suki. Tara!
Yay!
Picture tayo!
Wait lang, be. Pwede sa cellphone ko pangga ko. Wow! This is our lab.
Grabe.
Gusto mo ba natin tumingin dito?
Wow! Done! Nalobat na ang camera. Thank you so much. Photo shoot done, guys. I'm still wearing the dress with a different jacket lang. And so tired. It's also the first day of my period. But very, very grateful for my friends today, and for Cass who took all of the photos.
The next day.
Good morning, guys! Today is graduation day, and it's currently 4 a.m. in the morning. I'll be going to my makeup artist, Ate Jonaril, and I'll let her do my makeup because I will be attending the baccalaureate mass at around 8 a.m. So we're gonna be in school for the whole full day, and that's why I woke up very early. I lack sleep today, but para lang yan, para gumanda tayo. Anyways, I'm waiting for my Grab. It's coming right now, and I'll update you guys later.
Pero pagka, since may blush na ako kasing nilagay, parang ang
Nagpantay
lapit
siya.
na niya.
Ah.
Oo. Kaya nakita ko na siya. Pikit na.
Sige. Divine! Makeup done! Thank you!
Thank you!
I'm here in Admo and kakatapos lang ng makeup. It's so pretty as you can see. I booked the makeup appointment very early because the mass will start at 8 a.m. and I'm waiting for my parents to actually I can see the car right now. So this is for the baccalaureate mass outfit. And mag-vlog tayo sa loob, guys. Hi, guys!
What's up, baby?
Yeah.
Makeup ko.
We're going na! We're going on a Sunday. We're gonna get graduation. We're gonna graduate. Anong kanta yun? Thank you, guys!
Dapat pa-makeup din ako. Wala kang blush on dyan?
May blush on ako, daddy. Graduation day! What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, gang? We're going to Blue Eagle Gym. Wait. We're going to Blue Eagle Gym for the mass. And we're actually late. No, there's a lot of people outside, so it's fine. Let's just go here.
Scuba, scuba.
Baccalaureate mass outfit siya. So simple, wearing sneakers only. Mamaya na tayo mag-baba-boom. Welcome, guys, to the newly renovated Blue Eagle Gym. Wow!
Capacity to imagine. When we imagine, we bring into our consciousness realities and possibilities that are not immediately or externally observable. I studied in 2020 at the height of a global pandemic. 6 years later, we continue to witness and
So,
I'll finally be in it.
yeah, you'll be in the video. The HE commencement rides are finally done. And we're going to UPTC. And look guys, this is the Esteban Abada Street going to my dorm, my place. So much nostalgia lang right now. Say hi.
Where did I put that?
I don't know. Yay, Fridays! Wow! Congratulations!
Cake mo! Ikaw, may cake.
Hindi, ikaw na maghawak. Hello! Okay lang, Jayden. Kasama ka.
Sure.
Jayden from Life Sciences. Ang pawis, grabe. Pulas na kami. Naglalakad kami to grade school. Dito buses. Ay, saan ba kayo dati? As a late comer nung rehearsal, hindi ko alam.
Hindi ka ba nakaabot?
Nakaabot naman, sister, pero yung pila sa likod na. Init! Hindi namin mag-gets yung weather kasi kanina sobrang ulan. Tapos ngayon, guys, ang sunny na ang init naman. Grabe. Ang daming reklamo, no, bago ko graduate.
Isabella Sachi Gris. Yuan Miguel J. Duelo. Martha C. Gutierrez.
Got
Ziho L. Han. Emmanuel Louis J. Latino.
Ito na po kami, mga kaibigan. Saan? Saan? Ito ang bago namin graduate. The Crying Sachi. Ano yun? What's up, Sachi? What's up?
What's up? Woo! Tapos na. Dito ka ba? Dito tayo, dito tayo. Tapos na ako. I'm already finished my undergrad. Happy grad to me!
Graduate. Sheesh! Nice!
Ayun! My God! Oh, yan na
Okay, yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Ateneo. Grabe. Gravity 60 na hilo.
Let's go.
Guys, I just got my diploma. I have to return the toga before getting my diploma. Oh my God, it's so here. It's here. I'm so happy. It's here. I have my diploma. Officially graduate.